Design and build quality. The Oppo Find N5 continues Oppo's tradition of premium craftsmanship. With a refined hinge mechanism, the device offers a seamless fold and an almost invisible crease when unfolded. The outer shell is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, providing a lightweight yet durable structure. The glass back, available in multiple colors, adds a touch of elegance while ensuring a comfortable grip. The foldable design is both stylish and functional. Oppo has optimized the weight distribution, making the device feel balanced whether folded or unfolded. The improved flexion hinge technology allows for smooth opening and closing, reducing wear and tear over time. Display. The Oppo Find N5 features a stunning 8.12-inch primary AMOLED display with a 2000 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth visuals. The LTPO panel dynamically adjusts the refresh rate to conserve battery without compromising performance. The cover display is a 6.5-inch AMOLED panel, also featuring a 120 Hz refresh rate. This outer display is ideal for quick tasks like checking notifications, messaging, or even taking selfies without unfolding the device. The Oppo Find N5 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage. Oppo has equipped the Find N5 with a versatile triple camera setup, co-engineered with Hasselblad. Primary sensor, 50 megapixel, ultra-wide lens, 48 megapixel, telephoto lens, 32 megapixel with 3 times optical zoom. The Oppo Find N5 runs on ColorOS 14, based on Android 14. The software is optimized for foldable functionality, allowing seamless transitions between the outer and inner displays. Features like multi-window support, FlexForm mode, and improved app continuity enhance productivity and usability. Oppo has also introduced exclusive AI-driven features, including real-time translation, enhanced voice recognition, and smart suggestions tailored to user behavior. Regular software updates ensure security and feature enhancements over time. Battery life and charging. Powering the Find N5 is a 4,800 mAh dual-cell battery, ensuring all-day usage. 80-watt fast charging. Additionally, 50-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse wireless charging provide added convenience. Connectivity and additional features. The Oppo Find N5 is packed with cutting-edge connectivity options, including 5G support, Wi-Fi 7. The device also boasts an IPX8 water resistance rating, ensuring durability against splashes and accidental spills. The Find N5 features an in-display fingerprint scanner and AI-powered facial recognition. The Oppo Find N5 is an Oppo's innovation in the foldable smartphone space. Oppo Find N5 is a premium foldable device with top-tier features and excellent build quality. The Oppo Find N5 is undoubtedly worth considering. Whether for productivity, gaming, or multimedia consumption, this device delivers on all fronts.